Wagwan KK Squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So this company on Instagram by the name of Kerotin Hair Care, they sent me their wash day system. I've used their deep conditioning treatment system, loved it as you can see in previous videos, so I am excited to use their wash day system. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So first, I'm going to be using the Keratin Freshening Shampoo. I'm going to be starting on my scalp, making sure my scalp is clean because that's where your hair growth starts. These products, I'm going to explain every details at the end of this video, so please watch until the end to hear my honest review. I'm just going to keep scrubbing, making sure my scalp is clean. It feels good as you can see. So now I'm gonna be using their massaging scalp brush. As you can see, easy to hold, best feeling ever. This also promotes hair growth. Yes, scalp massagers promotes hair growth, so get you one, sis. Get you one. Now I'm gonna be rinsing out the first shampoo and then I'll be doing my second shampoo off camera. So the next clip, I'm gonna be using the Keratin Freshening Conditioner. To apply my conditioner, I'm gonna be parting my hair in 4 sections. So I'm gonna be using this conditioner as a deep conditioner, if you know what I mean. Y'all, I get excited for each wash day because to see the growth, to see where I'm coming from. I've been natural for 1 year and 8 months, I think, and the growth is real. The shrinkage is real, but the growth is real as well. So after applying this conditioner, I'm just gonna comb through my hair, making sure everywhere gets conditioner. And then I'm just gonna be putting each section in a plait just to keep them separated. Man, wash day is a process, but we're almost there. We're getting somewhere. Listen, your videos are not complete unless you have one of these corny clips that's coming up next. Now I'm going to be putting on a plastic cap like I'm doing a deep conditioning treatment to get this product to penetrate on my hair, to get this moisture going. If you want to do a real deep conditioning treatment, they have a keratin freshening mask. I have a video using this product. I'm gonna link the video in the card, so go check it out. This product is amazing. Like I said, go check it out. So I'm gonna leave the conditioner in my hair for a while, take a shower, and you are not invited. So it's 2 days later. Crazy, I know, right? I did some twists in my hair after I got done washing my hair while my hair was wet. So now I'm gonna unravel those twists using the Keratin Nourishing Oil. This oil I've used in previous videos, love it, smells amazing, and I'm just gonna use that to oil my scalp. As you can see in my face, I just woke up. Yes, I took a nap because this was nighttime, probably like 9 p.m. I took a nap after work and woke up and did this unraveling thingy. So I'm just gonna be putting my hair in a ponytail just to take the twists out the way so I can unravel one by one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, KK Squad, so let's talk a little bit about these products. This company on Instagram by the name of Kerotin Hair Care, they sent me their deep conditioning treatment system. I recorded that video a week or two ago and I really loved their products. So they sent me their wash day system and I decided to try it out. They sent me their keratin freshening shampoo and conditioner. This shampoo and conditioner has keratin, protein, biotin, sea kelp extract, no parabens or sulfates, no sodium, silicone free, safe for colored hair. These shampoo and conditioner smells so good. Okay, so the shampoo, all right, let me tell you, the shampoo to me is like a clarifying shampoo, which is needed when you have products build up. Like it washes everything away. I can say that. Like the first wash, everything was clear, everything was gone. The conditioner makes my hair feel super soft and easy to detangle. Oh my goodness, let's talk about the smell. They both gave me like a tingling feeling, you know, that minty feeling. It has a minty smell and it also gave me that tingling feeling on my scalp, which helps to stimulate my scalp. And when your scalp is getting that, you know, stimulation, that's how you promote hair growth. So that's good. Oh my, it smells so, I just wish you guys could smell these products. The smell, 10 out of 10. The products, how it works for my hair, it works really good. Like I said, I've used their deep treatment, their deep conditioning treatment, loved it. So they sent me their wash day kit and I had to try it. So I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box. You can go check them out. They also sent me their scalp massage brush comb thingy. I have one of these already. I don't know where it is, to be honest, but oh my goodness, this thing promotes hair growth. When you massage your scalp massages promotes hair growth, and it also lifts any dirt or products on the scalp, which is good. And also they sent me this Royal Touch Advanced Spot Treatment. So this is good for like bald spots, if you have bald spots, or you know, sometimes your edges are thinning out and so forth. This is perfect for that. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is cute. Wait. All right, okay, this is very fancy, like these are luxury products. I haven't used it, but I read the reviews and everyone seems to have great results from this product. Okay, ooh, also you just squeeze the top and it comes out through here, through the little ball right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know, I can't really smell it because I am still smelling the shampoo and conditioner, that minty smell. So this is the Royal Touch Hair Growth Stimulation. It says to apply to desired areas daily. Use gentle circular motion to boost blood circulation and allow nutrients to reach the scalp. So it's for hair growth. Awesome! I'm gonna try it out. I mean, I'm not having any, you know, hair growth issues or anything. But if you are, this is perfect for you to use. Oh, the bottom fell off. Oh. Okay, so guys, that's not the way it was supposed to work. I guess the bottom fell off. Okay, so the bottom fell off. So you just take the top off, spray, and go. Yeah, that's how it works. So that's what they sent me. I'm gonna leave all information down in the description box. And As you can see, I did my little high puff because listen, I live in Florida. It's hot, it's humid, and if I leave my hair out like that, like a twist out just out like that, once I go outside it's gonna be a big frizz ball. So I put it up in a high puff. Hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. Also, please remember to comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Talk to me in the comment section. Ask me any questions you have. I answer all comments. Also, like this video, make that thumbs up blue. Thank you so much for watching and for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.